we're getting a function, h of x equals a to the x plus b. And we're given 2 points we can plug into that. We're given the point 0, 10, and that other more complicated looking point. So let's take the nice easy one, 0, 10. And so basically that's h of 0 because we're plugging in x is 0. So a to the 0 plus b, and that equals 10. Now anything to the 0 power is 1. So this is 1 plus b equals 10. Take away 9, take away 1, and you get b equals 9. For the other one, it's a little more complicated looking, but that's okay. So let's just start again. H of x is a to the x plus b. And we're going to plug in our x is -2 and our y is 325 over 36. So the y is the entire f of x, or in this case, h of x. So that is 325 over 36 equals a to the -2 plus b, which we figured out. Now, students ask us all the time, is it okay that this is a constant? What does that do? And this is one place where we can talk about why it's a constant. It's basically a constant, meaning that when you find it out in one situation, you can plug it in another. If it were x or y, as opposed to being a constant, if it were a variable, that would mean that just because I know it at one point, I don't necessarily know it at another point. So because we found b equals 9, we plugged it in. And now we can start solving. We're going to take away 9 from both sides. And what is 9 with a denominator of 6? Well, let's call that 9 over 1 with a denominator of 36. So 9 times 36 is 324. So negative 9 over 1 is negative 324 over 36. And that makes sense now why they gave us that crazy number, because 325 minus 324 is 1. So 1 over 36 there equals a to the -2. Now, what in the world is a negative exponent? Negative exponents, they mean that whatever has the negative exponent is on the wrong side of the fraction. So that's a nice rule of thumb. Anything that has a negative exponent is on the wrong side of the fraction. So here, if we want to make this into a to the +2, we can flip the fraction over and it becomes 36 over 1, or just 36. Now we can take the square root of both sides and we get a is plus or minus 6, but in most situations, we would just say 6. And now we're plugging that into AB. So we went here, now we're going here. AB is going to be 6 times the B we got before, which is 9. And that gives us 54, which is answer choice C.